Hello, civil engineers. In this in connections in advanced team. Now I'm going to start by creating a connection between this end, this edge, and also a connection at um, this point. So these connections they will not work better for me. I'm going to just remove them. We're going to create a connection with of this type. Now to create this connection, you just need, I have isolated the roof part. You just need to activate connection valve and then enlarge. Then you need to go to this Purlin and cold rolled connection. And then I'm going to search for single plane. Now this one here. And if you scroll, you can see what we're going to create. Now I'm going to click and then I'm going to pick my beam, hit enter, and then pick my roof purlin, hit enter. Okay, now we need to do some editing here because you can see we don't have that overhang etc. So you need to go to plates. You can edit here the edge distances etc. Okay, purlins projection. Okay, I'm going to use an overhang. I need an overhang of 2 feet or 24 inches. Okay, I'm going to go to dimension. You can see that overhang there. You can change the dimensions, but this one, the current is perfect with me. Then I'm going to go to bolts, rib stiffener. I'm not going to, so the rib stiffener, we can edit the width from what we currently have from 3 to about 4.5. Okay, and then I'm going to go to sleeves. You can create or not create sleeves. But I will leave it blank. Now I'm going to go to stays. I will create stays on both sides, or because it is that side, you can create on the right side. And we can offset this stay. Let me check. You can either create that side or yeah, we can create on one side. Mirror. We can go to staplets and offset of 6. I mean -6. And then if we go to stairs, you can change from right both sides if you wish, but because it is on that edge, I just do one side, that is the right side. Okay. Now we have done that Purlin connection on that side. We can do now uh, for this, just open connection wall, expand. Now we need to go to double. And then pick that, hit enter. The first Purlin, enter. The next Purlin, enter. Plate click. I can change um, dimension 5 from 7 to 9 or 10. The plate height will remain the same. Offset of 2. That is, I need it at the center. Change it to edges. And then edge 1, I will change from 3. Or edge 1, I'll change from 3 to 2. 3, 4. Edge distance number 4. Okay, now I'm going to go to bolts. To the edge distance. Now this one I'll change to 3. Then I'm going to go to bolts. I can leave it at that. This one I'll change from 3 to 5. And then I'm going to go to stays on both sides. Stay plates, an offset of 6, or rather negative 6. Okay, we can copy these connections. Now to copy the connection, you now need to go to an advanced steel tool palette, and then you can either copy single by template or by template multiple. I prefer this one, so I'll click by template multiple. I will pick the connection, that dialog connection dialog box. Select it, hit enter, and then in the same order, I'm going to select my roof beams. Sorry, can hold because I select that by mistake. I can hold shift, select, and select this one in its place. Hit enter. Because it's multiple, it will allow me to be able to do that. Select now all of this. Now again all of these. And then hit enter. We have created that connection, that overhang, etc., etc. Again, we can repeat the same procedure for this type of connection. Multiple, I prefer that. Pick the dialog, connection dialog box, enter, pick the beams or the roof beams, enter. I will pick the purlins on one side because that is the order. You pick the first and the second purlin. So I'll pick the first on one side and then hit enter, then pick the second object or the opposite side. That is because they share these purlin, so these one I'll pick the second side. Then hit enter. Now there we go. Here is our purlins and connections. In other videos, I've explained how to add roof purlins. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, smash that like button so that my video will be recommended. See you. Thanks for watching.